Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Omar. Some of you know me as Mr. Espinoza, and if you followed me for a while, you remember me as Filming with Mr. E. Without further ado, I am here to announce a project I've been working on putting together this year, and it's finally the day I get to announce it to all of you. It is called the Multimedia Hub, and this website carries you through different ways to create content online and for a business, whatever you want. And we go through video tutorials for video creating, podcasting, digital media, and so on. And it's not just tutorials. There will be challenges that are uploaded weekly, so you can go ahead and challenge your skills and get better and learn even more. So go ahead and check it out. I'm very excited for this project. And if there's anything that you actually want to see be done or a tutorial on a certain thing, go ahead and comment on this post and I'll be sure to try to cover it and get it going for you. Peace.